Ever wonder why we sneeze? It's not just to annoy the person next to you. When dust or pollen sneaks into your nose, your body goes into action, like a security alarm going off. That's when you sneeze, blasting those intruders out at a whopping 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car zooming down the track. And here's a fun fact: you can't sneeze with your eyes open.
Seriously, don't try it. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember it's your body's way of keeping you safe. Stay curious and sneeze responsibly.